BJP National President Nitin Nabin is now set to visit West Bengal for a two-day tour on the 24th and 25th of March. According to party sources, he will take part in several organizational meetings during his visit. He is expected to meet with state leaders to review electoral preparations and chalk out strategies ahead of the upcoming elections. So on one hand, the TMC releasing a new campaign video. On the other, reports coming in of BJP National President's visit to West Bengal. Let me go across to Hridita. She's joining us with more details. Hridita, from the video, it's clear Mamata Banerjee is being depicted as the tigress of Bengal, the savior, the leader, the mass leader of the people of Bengal. But what does the text on it say? And also, interesting picturization when it comes to BJP leaders.
Absolutely. As you see that on the video, also the topic or the point that TMC has been repeatedly talking about, which is Bangla and Bangali, which is Bengal. For the Bengalis, that has been well mentioned and has been highlighted over the video. Also through the video of picturizations, you can see that various people, the various religious people, the various caste people, the various people of different cultures over this geography of Bengal has been depicted. That can be from the Santals to the Rajbangshis to women and to the minorities. Also, we have seen a depiction of them over the video that the TMC has launched, and TMC has also claimed this, that Fighter Didi, as the video ends with that tagline of the teaser. It says Fighter Didi, which means that Mamata Banerjee is the savior of all of these people who have been targeted, especially the Bengalis who have been targeted. And remember that TMC over and over has been stating that BJP's or the ECI's soft target is Bengali, it is anti-Bengali, it is anti-woman, and that has been exactly represented in the video, where Didi has been referred to as fighter, and to be said that she is the one who is standing with the people of Bengal and standing as their fighter, as she solely, not from the roads, not only on the roads but also in the Supreme Court, is fighting for the rights of Bengalis, which is manipulated or conspired to be taken away.
All right, Hridita, thank you very much for getting us the details.